Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card statements for taxes with TurboTax step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Tax Home section on the dashboard. Locate the option for Documents or Tax Documents in the menu. Select Get Started or Find next to the Tax Documents section. Choose Import from Financial Institutions if you want to directly connect to your bank. Select your bank or financial institution from the list provided. Log in with your bank credentials if prompted to link your account. Once connected, locate the Credit Card Statements section. Select the statements you wish to back up for tax purposes. Review and confirm the selected statements to import them into TurboTax. If you prefer to upload statements manually, click on Upload instead. Choose the files you need from your computer. Ensure the files are in an acceptable format, such as PDF or CSV. Confirm the upload and wait for TurboTax to process the documents. Review the imported statements for accuracy. Make any necessary edits or corrections within TurboTax. Once satisfied, save your progress in the application. Proceed to organize your deductions based on the backed up statements. Finalize your tax return when all information is accurately entered. Keep a physical or digital record of your statements for future referencing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.